Let's start the third module of this course, related to the method of publication of your app. Currently, King of App has 4 methods of publication: upload with your own ID, packs with discount for volume of apps, download of Android app, and download of the source code. The first 2 will allow you to publish your app in the marketplaces of Google and Apple. The other methods are perfect testing tools to see how the app would work on your Android device by installing an APK. First of all, you should know that if you want to publish with your ID, you will have to own a developer account in one of these stores: App Store, Google Play, or both. In the next chapters, I'll explain how to create them. The difference between upload with ID and volume discount packs of apps lies in the number of applications to publish and the price of each one. While uploading with your own ID has a standard annual price of €50 per year, or its equivalent in your local currency, plus the cost of the modules and services you have added, you can opt for significant volume discounts if you access the form presented after the packs option. If you're interested in publishing a large number of apps, choose this option. A member of the team will contact you personally to provide you with information and access to the offers. If you prefer to have an APK for testing, select Download Android App. An APK is a version of your application ready to install on your Android smartphone. There is currently no equivalent option in King of App that allows you to test it on iOS, as Apple's operating system only accepts the installation of applications from the App Store or test flight. This method is not compatible with publication, and you will not be able to upload the APK to the store. In order to be admitted in Google Play, it must be first signed. If you have decided to use the Download Android App option, click the button once it is available. The product will be added to your cart, where you must pay all payments modules to try it. Finish the process and ask us to send the APK to your email. You will receive it via email as soon as it is compiled. Are you a developer, or do you have enough knowledge to compile on your own? Use the Request Source Code option. If you have the knowledge, you can sign and upload the application by yourself. When you choose this option, an item will appear in your cart with a cost equal to 0. You will only have to pay for the modules and services that you have added. If the cost of the elements added to your app are free, you will be able to get your app without any cost. Continuing with our wild animals application, which we have already finished and left ready to publish in previous chapters, we will choose the option that allows us to do it with our own ID, the simplest one. Publishing with your own ID implies, as we said, the need to have a developer account in each of the stores where you want to publish, in addition to the annual payment of €50 valid for both Android and iOS. With this option, you forget to publish your app, as we have managed to automate the process so that you don't have to worry about it. In addition, during the time your subscription lasts, you will have access to all the functionalities that will allow you to update the contents of your application. Other app builders publish your app in their own developer profile using their ID, not yours. Doing it with your own ID has the advantage that, once published your app, you can access your developer profile and edit directly there advanced options or interact directly with the Google and Apple stores, getting more autonomy in the process. Since creating an account is essential, we'll devote the next 2 chapters to learning how to create an account in both Google Play and the App Store.